We're here at the start of the Mount Murchison track. We're basically standing on the Anthony Link Road and the track leads straight up. The terrain is amazing, the smells are fantastic. After about 25 minutes and we can see where we're going. After about an hour and a half, we're at the base of the climb proper. You keep stopping to take photos of the view as it gets more and more spectacular. Getting close to the top now, at the razor's edge. The Tooth Fairy looking very pleased with herself, and a shaded lake surrounded by cliffs. The topography is breathtaking and never ceases to amaze me.